So in this video, we're gonna create a custom post type, and I'm not a big fan of copying and pasting code, but I'm gonna do this in this video because you can see this is a really big piece of code, but I'm gonna explain what this code does, and also I'm gonna add this into the course material so you can copy and paste also. So first we create a function and we are calling this La Pizzeria Specialties. And inside this function we add labels. This is equal to an array. This is default by WordPress. When you create a custom post type, you can access the label so you can change some text. And for example, we have the name and we're applying pizzas, singular name, pizzas. You can change this to pizza. The menu name, this is the name that is going to be printed here on the backend of WordPress. By default, WordPress has two custom post types where you can add content like post and pages. There are other ones like media and menus, but to add content to your website, there is post and pages, and you can see this says post and pages. So we have pizzas. So we're gonna create a new element in the menu. Next, we have menu admin bar. This is going to be the text that is going to be added here in the plus new that we have here in the top. Then we have the add new text. It's going to be add new. There are some different options that you can change here, the text. And next we have the arguments, and this is also an array. You can see this is really big, a really big array. And the first element is the label. So we are pasting or we are applying the labels that we have previously. Next, we have the description, and this is the text for the description. Public, and we're gonna set this to true. Public variable also is going to be true. Show UI, this is going to be the most important thing in this section. This is going to be all the elements that you can see when you open pages or post. Next, you can see showing menu. So if you wanna show this in the menu, in the main menu. Query bar, we're gonna set this to true, and I know that this is a most beginner course. You always set this query bar to true, at least for this kind of post types. The rewrite is going to be the URL. The structure for the URL is going to be specialties. If you wanna make this more SEO friendly, you can add something like or pizzas or something like that. I'm gonna keep this as specialties. And we have the capability type. It's going to be a post. And the menu position is going to be the position where this is going to be printed. WordPress uses something like an increments of 5. So for example, the posts are the number 5. We're adding this in the number 6. So this post type is going to be added right here. And support. In our design, you can see that we have the title, we have the feature image, and the price and the ingredients are going to be custom fields, so you can add the supports. We are adding this, the title, the editor is the main editor in WordPress, and also the thumbnail. And the taxonomies, we're gonna add the categories. So the same categories that we have in post are going to be added in pizzas. Finally, you register the post type, and this is the name that we're giving, and we're passing the arguments that we have before right here. We're hooking these specialties into the init action or hook. So now you can save this and reload, and you can see that we have pizzas right here. So for example, if I click here, you can see that the interface is really similar than post and pages. But the good thing about this is that now you can separate content in WordPress. You can see that we have no pizzas found. Yeah, right here. Just remove those words or those letters. Now you can see it's working. So this way, using custom post types, you can separate content. For example, now when the owner of this website wants to create a blog, they can use the post type. when they want to add a new specialty or a new menu, something new in the menu, they can use the pizzas. And if they want to create a new page, they can use pages. So custom post types will show you the power of WordPress. They are really popular. A lot of themes and plugins create custom post types. So now you know how to create them. So in the next video, we're gonna register the field for the custom post type before we continue working in this template.